How to fix Barclays UK app not working. So this issue might arise because your application is not up to date. In order to check it out, head over to your app store and then in the source bar, search for Barclays UK app. Move into this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date and it might be one of the reasons that you are having the issue. In this case, tap on update and update your app. Once you have the latest version of the app, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of your device. Inside settings, move into general and then head over to iPhone storage. In this page, it will show you all the list of the application that you have it on your device. So simply move into Barclays UK app. Once you are in here, tap on offload app and then once again click on offload app. Offloading app means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. It will remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Barclays UK app not working. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.